Hey, I'm Jeff Kaufman of Silver Sport Transmissions. I'm back here in the shop, and I'm going to show you the new project that just came in today. Check it out. 1990 Ford Bronco. This has the 5-liter engine, AOD automatic. It's pretty nice. We are converting this to the Tremec TR-4050 5-speed. So we've got a pedal set, some other things going are coming together here. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll be posting some updates about this swap, what it takes, how easy, how hard. We do expect this to be pretty easy actually. But that's it. 1990 Ford Bronco, going from automatic transmission to the new Tremec TR-4050 heavy-duty 5-speed.